If you're like many business owners or people who work for a company, you find you have very little time to do marketing the way you'd really like to do it. Maybe it's too challenging. Maybe you're just not quite sure what to do, so you don't do anything at all. Well, to help you solve that situation, I have teamed up with two other all-star presenters to help you supercharge your marketing. It's the Supercharge Your Marketing Workshop. Hey, my name's Ken Countess, and I'll be partnering with Tina Brinkley-Potts and Joe Davis to help you in a 2-day session do all the right things to help you market your business more effectively. The content will include marketing strategy, helping you identify your ideal target market, helping you create your unique selling proposition, how to use automation to free yourself up so you can sell more stuff. We'll teach you how to use email marketing the right way, social media marketing. We'll teach you how to get more traffic to your website. You'll learn about search engine optimization. You'll learn the 7 secrets of SEO, the power of video marketing, using marketing funnels, the ones that will help you get your prospects roped in so that they'll buy from you, and so much more. It's a 2-day session. Here's the URL so you can sign up for the workshop or get more information. We look forward to seeing you there.